Well, you see from the clouds, it looks like it is gonna rain for the next couple hours. They're calling for it. I was really hoping it wasn't gonna rain this year. That sucks. But what can you do? That's the way she goes. That's a windrow right there. That's the one that digs out the potatoes and makes a line. Harvester picks them up and obviously, it goes in there. Yep. Long days. Yesterday worked 14.5 hours, which is not too bad. I just hope this rain just goes. I can't just stay away. Yep. Tomorrow I'm gonna try to figure out something where I can put my phone so I can videotape it while I'm doing a run. Without wrecking my phone. This is my day thing every day for the full month. The days go by pretty quick, you do an average of maybe 10 loads. 12 loads a day, 14 hours, that's not bad. Alright, well, I'll be back on later. Let's see what happens if I back on with rain. I'm back on with rain. If not, then I'll try to do a run. Yeah, peace out. Remember to subscribe, John Darcy 13 TV. Well, I'm driving in Mexico or whatever you want to call it. Yeah, it definitely got rain tonight. That really sucked, so we're probably going to be off for the next who knows how many freaking days. It really sucks, Come out here to work and then it has to rain all summer. Nice and sunny, but come out here and it's just rain. Typical where I live, that's how it is. Nice all summer, and then September hits and boom! Rain, cold, and then winter for another 6 months. Yep. Just coming back from a place called Portage la Prairie. It's about an hour drive back to where I'm staying, the hotel, and kind of bored. Yeah, I'm driving the 20th anniversary Volkswagen Golf GTI. This thing handles like you're on rails, man. Even when it's raining, whatever, it sticks to the road. Well, it also has nice Pirellis on here. And they say 18-inch rims for golf, factory Alpina rims. Yippers. It's rain, rain, and rain. This is number 2466. Out of 4,000 US cars. I'm up in Canada. Alright. Well, it might be a couple days. I might not have any harvesting videos, but I'll see what kind of boring stuff I can do in the rain at the hotel. Not too much there to do, so we'll see. Well, talk to you guys all later, and please subscribe, John Darcy 13 TV. When I get back, I'll be doing more videos of the Volkswagen, and also check out my Twitch account, which is John Darcy 13 TV, and same here, John Darcy 13 TV. Or follow me on Instagram, same thing, John Darcy 13 TV. Peace out. Talk to you guys all later.